Hello everyone, Windroid here and welcome back to another video. Today, we have a new device from itel, a China-based smartphone manufacturer. It's called the itel A70 and it's a budget-friendly 4G device with some interesting features. Let's take a look. But before we dive into the details, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to get notified of our future videos. Let's dive right in. The itel A70 has a sleek design with a thickness of only 8.6 mm. The back of the phone has a dual camera setup that looks like the iPhone 15 Pro. The front of the phone has a 6.6-inch HD Plus display with a resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels. The display has a 120 Hz touch sampling rate and a maximum brightness of 500 nits. It also has a dynamic bar, which is similar to Apple's Dynamic Island, that allows you to access your favorite apps and settings quickly. The phone is powered by the Unisoc T603 octa-core processor, which is an entry-level chipset that can handle basic tasks and games. The phone comes with up to 4 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of internal storage. You can also expand the storage up to 2 TB with a microSD card. The phone also has a virtual RAM extension feature that can boost the RAM up to 8 GB. The camera department of the itel A70 consists of two 13-megapixel rear cameras and an 8-megapixel selfie camera. The rear cameras can capture decent photos and videos in good lighting conditions, but don't expect too much from them in low light or zoom scenarios. The selfie camera can take selfies and make video calls, but it's not very impressive either. The battery life of the itel A70 is one of its strong points. The phone has a 5000 mAh battery that can last for a whole day on moderate usage. The phone also supports Type-C charging, which is a nice feature for a budget device. The phone supports 4G, 3G, and 2G network connectivity, but it doesn't have NFC or wireless charging. The software of the itel A70 is based on Android 13 Go Edition, which is a lightweight version of Android designed for low-end devices. The phone runs on itel OS 13, which is a custom skin that adds some extra features and apps to the phone. The phone also has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for security. The price of the itel A70 is not yet revealed, but we expect it to be very affordable. The phone comes in 4 color options: brilliant gold, stylish black, field green, and azure blue. That's our review of the itel A70. Let us know your thoughts about this phone in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and see you next time.